First of all, carpal tunnel exercises should be done gently and involve stretching the wrist. Typically, you would start out by stretching down and stretching up. In addition, you might try to massage the area of the carpal tunnel by using your other hand and going into this crease here on the palm, just around the wrist level. This is where the carpal tunnel actually is. And you can massage it toward your fingers to try to relieve pressure on that carpal canal. In addition, I would want to think about, why am I getting this carpal tunnel pain in the first place? Could it be ergonomically related? Am I spending 14 hours a day on a keyboard or playing a musical instrument repetitively without rest or without stretching? But definitely the exercises that help this area involve stretching and loosening a tight region of the wrist.